Donald Trump and his former attorney Michael Cohen faced off in court today. Cohen testified against his ex-boss in a civil fraud trial. CBS News' Alice Gaynor was in the courtroom.
Michael Cohen came face-to-face with his former boss Tuesday inside a packed courtroom.
Back at the reunion. As you know.
Cohen served time in prison for lying to Congress, campaign finance violations, and tax evasion related to his own personal finances. Cohen said he lied to Congress in 2017 for Trump's benefit. In 2019, Cohen testified to Congress that Trump lied about his wealth on loan, insurance, and tax documents. That testimony is what led to the AG's investigation and a separate criminal case.
We're not worried at all about his personal money.
Once Trump's personal attorney, Cohen told the court that when it came to statements of financial condition, he was asked by Trump to increase the total assets based upon a number that he arbitrarily elected. That he and Alan Weisselberg, the former Trump Organization CFO and a defendant in this case, would reverse engineer the various different asset classes, increase those assets in order to achieve the number that Mr. Trump had tasked us. When asked what number specifically, Cohen said, "Whatever number Mr. Trump told us." The state alleges they inflated Trump's wealth in order to get more favorable loan terms. Cohen also claimed Trump's 3 eldest children assisted with the financial statements. Both sons, Eric and Don Jr., are defendants in the lawsuit and deny the allegations. Ivanka Trump was dismissed from the case. Trump has said his assets were actually undervalued and at times shook his head in the courtroom.
They have no case. The witness is totally discredited already.
The judge already found the defendants liable for fraud. What's left to decide in this trial is other allegations that include falsification of records, conspiracy, and insurance fraud.
This is not about Donald Trump versus Michael Cohen or Michael Cohen versus Donald Trump. This is about accountability, plain and simple.
Cross-examination of Michael Cohen did begin late this afternoon and will continue tomorrow. A reminder, this is a civil case, not a criminal one, so no one is facing any jail time. The AG's lawsuit seeks $250 million and sanctions that would limit the Trump's ability to do business here in New York. In Lower Manhattan, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.